Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create these 3D mobile phone flip animations in CapCut. So first, what you need to do is add a screen recording like this to your CapCut. Okay, I'm going to trim it first. And after that, here, you can just resize it. Okay, click on the video, resize it, and then add the background to this video. So I'm going to find background here, image. Just find the background that you want. I'm going to just choose this one. Okay, click on the check icon. Now click on the video, go to animation, combo, and then find the 3D smartphone animation. So just swipe through the category. Okay, let's find it. Okay, this one's right here, smartphone 3. Click on the check icon, and here you can always adjust the size like so. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.